Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest reviews and expert insights into the world of beauty and grooming. Today, we're diving into the world of shaving with a versatile tool that promises to meet all your trimming needs. The Cordless Men's Electric Razor, a 3-in-1 device designed for beard, nose, and sideburn trimming. This razor combines multiple features into one package, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. The Cordless Men's Electric Razor is designed to offer a seamless grooming experience with a combination of beard, hair, and nose trimmers, all in one device. It features a floating head that adapts smoothly to the contours of your face, neck, and jaw, ensuring a close, comfortable shave. The razor also boasts a one-touch acceleration function, allowing you to adjust the speed based on your needs. With an HD display for low battery alerts and cleaning reminders, plus a travel lock for convenience, this razor seems to check all the boxes for those looking for a reliable grooming tool. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it for both wet and dry shaving. On top of all this, the razor features USB charging, giving you the flexibility to charge it almost anywhere. Now, let's talk about my experience using this razor. Setting it up was a breeze. The design feels solid, and the floating head really does make a difference, gliding effortlessly over the face. I tested it out on all 3 functions: the beard trimmer, nose hair trimmer, and sideburn trimmer. And I must say, it was easy to switch between them. The one-touch acceleration function is a nice touch. It allows you to adjust the speed depending on how much precision or power you need. The high-speed motor ensures a smooth shave, and I didn't notice any tugging or irritation, even on sensitive areas. I particularly liked using it in the shower. The waterproof feature holds up well, and the razor gave a smooth shave when paired with shaving cream. However, there are a couple of things to note. First, while the speed adjustment is a nice feature, I did find that it took a second or two for the speed to increase or decrease, which can throw off your rhythm if you're in a rush. The battery life, while decent, could be a bit longer for those who shave daily. After a 1.5-hour charge, you get around 60 minutes of use, which is enough for a few shaves, but it might be cutting it close if you need a razor for multiple uses in one day. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's break it down. On the positive side, the 3-in-1 functionality is excellent. No need for multiple devices cluttering your bathroom. The waterproof feature makes it versatile, and the ability to adjust the speed is a neat touch. The razor's design is user-friendly, and the high-speed motor really delivers a smooth, precise shave. On the downside, I'd say the battery life could be better, especially if you're someone who shaves regularly. While the razor is lightweight and ergonomic, the speed adjustment feature could be more responsive, especially for those who are looking for quick transitions between trimming modes. As for value for money, I'd say the razor offers a good balance between features and price. When compared to similar models on the market, this razor stands out with its versatility, combining multiple functions into one device. However, there are some similar products available at a lower price point, but they might not offer the same range of features or the same smooth performance. The build quality is solid, and it feels sturdy in hand with a nice ergonomic design. I didn't experience any issues with durability, but I would be cautious about dropping it, as any electric shaver could potentially get damaged if mishandled. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with the brand's customer service, so I can't speak to that experience. However, the brand does have a good reputation for providing customer support, and their products generally get positive reviews for their reliability. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, you could explore other 3-in-1 razors in the market, though many may lack the sleek design or advanced features this one offers. There are also some entry-level models that focus just on one function, such as beard trimming, which may suit those who prefer a simpler tool. In summary, the Cordless Men's Electric Razor is a solid choice for anyone looking for an all-in-one grooming tool. It offers great functionality, smooth performance, and a comfortable shave, though the battery life could be better. The versatility and waterproofing are key highlights, making it a good option for those who need a multifunctional razor. If you're willing to spend a bit more for these features, this razor is definitely worth considering. If this review helped, go ahead and like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that others looking for the perfect razor can also find this video. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Be sure to check the comments box below for the link to get this razor, and feel free to ask any questions or share your own experience if you've used it. Till next time, keep shaving smooth and stay beautyistic.